Hi guys, this is a video to check your homework for week 2 for intermediate speaking. So on week 2 I gave you some textbook homework from chapter 2. So let's look at the answers together. Most students had great work, and if there was no problem, I just said, okay, great, thanks, got it. But if there was many mistakes or if there was a big problem, I sent a message to you. So if you didn't see any message, that means you did a good job and your work had not many mistakes. So let's check the answers and you can see what is correct for the homework. So we started with chapter 2 about jobs, and I asked you to do part C on page 25. So here, let's do the activity together. Job is work, feeling happy, satisfied, very interesting, exciting, the person you work for, boss, with another person or people, together, not interesting, boring, to make an effort to do something, try, and to make is create. Okay? And I also asked you to do the listening on part C. So let's check the answers here. Many people say that money is the most important thing. I think this one was false. Yes. Okay, number 2. Many people look for a job that helps other people. True. Number 3. Many people are happy when they can create things. True. Number 4. Many people don't want to work with other people. False. And not many teachers like their job. False. Okay. So then I asked you to do part D, listen for the signposts. And this is one thing that many people look for in a job that helps other people. Another thing people want from their job is to create things. Also, people want their boss to thank them. And finally, people want to have happy co-workers. Now, the answers don't have to be perfect. If you say many people want a boss who says thank you, that's okay. You don't have to say thank them exactly perfectly. If I can understand and the idea is the same, then it's okay. Don't worry about being perfect. Just do your best to speak the answer, and we are working on speaking and sharing ideas using language. So I don't care about perfect spelling, and I don't care about everything being perfect. I want you to try to communicate your ideas using English, okay? So don't worry if it's not perfect. If I can understand, that's good. Okay, then listen to the excerpts from the lecture. These were which jobs are the happiest jobs, teachers and engineers, and happiness is help other people, create things, a boss that thanks them, and happy coworkers. But some people wrote other things like get money. It's okay if you wrote something else if it makes sense. Okay, and then next we had some from the next page here. This one we did part C, choose the correct answers. A web designer needs, teachers help. Only 1 plus S. More than 1, no S. So a photographer, only 1, takes, plus S. A server, only 1, plus S, brings. Engineers, more than 1, no S. Create. Okay? So he, she, it, plus S. Only 1, then plus S. Okay. So that's all for part C, and then I asked you to do part F for the listening. So let's see the answers. What does she do? Call, talk to customers, show, explain, learn, sell, help. Okay? And then the next thing I asked you to do was this chart here. And it's up to you what you wrote. A lot of students wrote some pretty good ideas, like an engineer creates products, a web designer uses a computer, creates web pages, works alone. A salesperson works with others and talks to people and calls customers. An engineer maybe works with others and talks with people and creates products and explains. And a teacher teaches, explains, works with others, talks with people. Okay, if you have one or two that makes sense, then that was good. Okay, I think everybody did a really great job on our homework. Thanks for working so hard, you guys. I want to give you the homework so you can practice the learning activities well. Again, don't worry about being perfect. I give you the homework work and skip a lot so that you don't have to feel too much homework burden. But I heard that students are feeling stress because there's too much homework. So we will do a little bit less homework for writing, and I will try to just give some speaking homework, like make a video homework, so that it's a little bit less writing stress and less time. Okay, so thanks guys. Look for the homework check video for week 3 next.